What are common mistakes people make when going through probate without an experienced attorney? Hiring a lawyer to help you through probate is not required in New York, but it is a recipe for making some rather big mistakes, especially if you are the executor. One common mistake made during probate is a failure to follow the order of precedence for creditors when paying out the estate. This can end up in you or other beneficiaries being sued by creditors. There are many procedural mistakes someone unfamiliar with probate law could easily make, which could undermine the entire process. Dealing with the creditors that show up during probate is also an area best left to the skilled and knowledgeable hands of an attorney, who will know who is serious and who you can safely ignore from among creditors. Do not risk your loved one's estate by trying to do everything on your own. Instead, hire a professional, like Long Island, New York probate lawyer Christopher Hayner. Book your free probate appointment at www.chaynerlaw.com to discuss your probate needs and options.